Hello, champs. Welcome to Little Champs World. Let's learn, play, and explore together.
Let's learn 1 to 10 numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's learn 11 to 20 numbers.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Let's learn 21 to 30 numbers.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Let's learn 31 to 40 numbers.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Let's learn 41 to 50 numbers.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Let's learn 51 to 60 numbers. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Let's learn 61 to 70 numbers. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Let's learn 71 to 80 numbers. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Let's learn 81 to 90 numbers. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Let's learn 91 to 100 numbers. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Great job, champs. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Bye.